Hi y'all, this is May 9th and this is an aired up tire, and here's some used tools, and here is a lopsided air conditioner. I want to thank Debbie for the air conditioner. It's making a huge difference. I just got it installed today by myself. Yeah, it's a little crooked, but it's gonna work just fine. And so now I have a tire that is aired up, and an air conditioner. I'm getting ready to go into town, do some things, upload my YouTube videos, and this channel is Chrysalis Journey of a Butterfly, and hopefully it's empowering to a lot of people living, learning, and healing. And it took me a few days to try to get brave enough to figure out, or maybe not brave enough, but I'm a person that meditates on decisions before I do them, and to try to figure things out. And so finally figured out. I walked to a garage in the town where I live, where I'm staying at the RV park, and asked them if they could help me with a tire, and he said yes. Tricia, there is if I can get a close-up, it's a robin. My daughter loves robins. She hasn't really seen any in Tampa, so this one's for you, Tricia. Anyway, it's a day of gratitude. I'm so thankful to have these things done. Now I can move on to the next, I don't want to say challenge, I want to say project. And I want to thank Debbie for gifting me with the air conditioner, and I hope to see you at the reunion